Hi and welcome. My name is Kathy Hoyne and I'm an assistant professor in the School of Nursing and Health Sciences here at Mount Aloysius College, and I'd like to talk to you about medical terminology. If you're interested in a career in medicine, nursing, or any health science, learning and using proper medical terminology is so very important. It will help you in your major courses, it will help you in your labs, and it will help you in your clinical rotations. It's important when we learn medical terminology to not only learn the meanings of the terms, but also how to properly pronounce them. You know, there are literally hundreds, if not thousands, of medical terms, and many of these terms are broken up into what we call word parts, prefixes, word roots, combining vowels, and suffixes. By learning the different meanings for the word parts, we can put them together, kind of like putting together pieces of a puzzle, and make up all different types of medical terms. For example, itis. Itis is a very common medical suffix, and it means inflammation. By taking the suffix inflammation and adding different word roots for it, we can devise medical terms that can reference inflammation in all different areas of the body. For example, appendicitis, inflammation of the appendix; hepatitis, inflammation of the liver; gastritis, inflammation of the stomach; arthritis, inflammation of joints, and we could go on and on. So as you move forward in your health career education, learning and using proper medical terminology is going to be an essential component of helping you to provide the best help and treatment to your patients. Thanks for joining me, and I hope that we get to see you in a Mount Aloysius College medical terminology class soon.